Member Sri Ravindra Kumar ji.
For giving the opportunity to speak on the taxes and other laws. Sir, I welcome this bill in behalf of my party AADMK, sir. Sir, I am confident that under the stewardship of our Prime Minister, the Prime Minister Cash Fund will be utilized for the best benefit of our citizen. Sir, in this context, I have some requests to Honorable Finance Minister through you, sir. Sir, first point, as already requested by many state governments, including the government of Tamil Nadu, the Chief Minister's Public Relief Fund should also be made eligible for receiving donation, which are eligible for CSR funds on par with PM Cash Fund. And second point, states are already receiving funds from the PM Cash Fund for COVID-19 relief activities, including the supply of ventilators and for financing relief for migrants. We welcome this expenditure already incurred by states before July. I request on the welfare of migrants should be eligible for reimbursement under PM CARES. And third point, one of the most significant expenditures being incurred by state in the control of COVID-19 is the cost of testing, especially RT-PCR testing, which is the gold standard. The number of active cases in Tamil Nadu has declined since July 2020. Constantly, mainly because the state uses only RT-PCR testing protocol exclusively. Currently, more than 80,000 tests are performed per day at a cost of nearly rupees 4 crores per day. I request, hence, sir, at least 50% of the cost of testing should be covered under PM CARES, as it is most effective strategy to control the spread of COVID-19 virus, sir. Sir, finally, I conclude with this, sir. The centers should do more to support such initiative by states and nurture them instead of using the National Infrastructure Investment Fund as a competitor, which takes over both possible investors and investment opportunities. Okay. There is space for all these funds to thrive, and states' efforts should be supported and encouraged. Through this, I support this bill.
Honorable Member Srimati Navneet Rana.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय.